Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In my hands I've got the new Fujifilm X-M5 with its stabilized 15 to 45 millimeter kit lens. Now I've had this unit for a little bit over a week, so I'm going to give you guys my first impressions on this unit. We're going to look at vlogging capability, image quality, build quality, and overall use on this unit. So in terms of build quality, I was quite pleasantly surprised when I unpackaged this unit for the very first time. Now put aside the little plasticky kit lens that it comes bundled with, I can tell you that this unit feels nowhere near as plasticky as this. In fact, the XM5 feels very solid in the hand. It feels well built. It looks to be well built, and I've got no complaints in terms of build quality. It's got a little flip out screen similar to all your flip out screens on the Fujifilm line. Type-C port on the right hand side over there, headphone port. What ceases to amaze me is that they were still able to put a headphone jack on this unit with the size that this body is coming in. And then we've got your mic output on a weird place, but at the same time a very clever place, right on top or under the hot shoe. So you know there's not going to be any wires or cords in the way when you're actually vlogging, and you've got your cords normally sticking out on the side. So that's a clever design from Fujifilm, and I must say I'm quite impressed in terms of build quality with this unit. You've got your PASM dial, you've got your film simulation dial on the left hand side, you've got your on and off switch, you've got your little record button over there, and then on the left hand side of the unit there's nothing. I think the mics are over there, but we've got nothing on the left hand side. And then also we've got a working hot shoe on the Fujifilm X-M5. So call it a hybrid body. I don't know, it doesn't have a viewfinder obviously, but we've got a full mechanical shutter on the X-M5. So in terms of sensor performance, the X-M5 is rocking the older XT4 sensor bundled with the new chip. Now we know that the XT3, XT4, XS10 was using this chip. It's using the sensor. It's a 26.2 megapixel sensor with excellent dynamic range capabilities as well as excellent rolling shutter performance. Now likewise with the XS20 and the new processor that they're using in the XS20 as well as this, is a recipe for success. And I think that's why Fujifilm is continuing to use that sensor with the latest processor. And there's a reason I've got the dial.
I'm on the floor.
So just a quick vlogging test on the XM5 using the basic 15 to 45 kit lens. The settings that we're currently on is just a standard picture profile, as well as standard picture profile with cloudy white balance. Then I've got the Bluetooth stick. It's on the Bluetooth stick and I've got it in vlog mode. So the reason I've got the vlog dial setting on is basically it unlocks a different menu, a touch menu on the screen. So you're able to access things like background defocus, start and stop record. You've got your product showcase all on the screen, at the tip of your fingers. So that I see as a nice convenience when vlogging, having everything right there, being able to see your audio levels, etc., being able to just change any feature without having to turn the camera around and fiddle with buttons. You've got a couple of options for audio. You can capture it from the rear or from the front or right around. I've got it capturing audio from the front. I might just change to a normal shotgun mic, just so we can distinguish the difference or see what the quality differences are with the internal mic and just a normal shotgun external mic. So like I said, I'm on the 15 to 45. The XM5 doesn't have inbuilt stabilizer. However, the 15 to 45 does have stabilization in the lens. So in terms of video content creation as well as being a vlogging camera, I honestly think Fuji has outdone themselves. And the reason I say that is top specs at an entry level price. Now I honestly think that this is probably going to be one of Fujifilm's best selling units. If we look at the video specs, we've got 6.2K open gate on an entry level camera. We've got 422 10-bit up to 200 megabits per second. And then to top it off, you've got a full mechanical shutter. So if you're into photography and not only video, put aside the lack of sensor shift stabilization, you're able to use any flash on this unit, on this hot shoe, without issues. Now, all coming in at the price that it's coming in. So anybody stepping up from their smartphone or looking for their first proper vlogging camera, I would highly recommend you guys have a look at the Fujifilm X-M5. This is a entry-level, very advanced entry-level vlogging camera in my opinion, and whoever purchases this, I don't think they can go wrong, whether it be as the entry-level vlogging camera, they step up from a smartphone, or even as a second body to their current lineup of bodies that they have as a second unit. If there's any questions or comments, drop them down below. If not subscribing, hit the like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out till the next one.